Hey guys, so today we will try to create this nice cursor with this hover effect, and so let's get started. I've already set up some HTML for our cursors and the button, and already set up some CSS, and this is not a CSS tutorial, so I will be pasting the classes, and this will move our cursors to the top left of the page. And this part is important. Pointer events will let us click through these divs, otherwise we will be clicking on the div, so make sure you add this line. And for styling our cursors, as you can see, this is our cursor outer, this element, and this inner, the dot in the center. So let's get to our JavaScript. I'm already referencing these elements here. So to make them follow our cursor, we can do it by accessing our mouse move event. Let's log this. So as you can see, whenever we move our mouse, we get this mouse move event, and we will need this X, Y, and then later this target element. So to make our cursors move or follow our cursor, we just need to do outer cursor style. Basically need to update our transform and translate values. So translate, and the first value is the X value, so we can access it by e.x. Make sure you add this pixel here, and then e.y pixel here. And we need to do the same thing for our inner cursor, the dot in the middle. So this should work. As you can see, it's working. And let's start adding the hover effect. So to do that, we will need to check if our target element is this button. We can do it by checking if our target element has the class of btn, which is this class. Then we can access additional information about our button by e.target and get bounding client rect. So if we console this, if we log this to our console, and so whenever we hover over our button, we should we need to add contains here. We get these values, and we need this X and Y values. These are the X and Y values of this button on the page. So we will again be updating the translate values of our button, but this time we need to access the X and Y inside this rect, and this should attach our outer cursor to our button. Yes, as you can see, but we also need to make some style changes to our outer button, and we can do it by adding this class. This will slow down the transition, remove the margin to make it center, and basically add this width and height to make it the same width and height with our button. So let's do that, and class list, and add, let's copy this class. But now we have this problem, so we need to remove this class if we are not hovering the button, and return here so that we don't always remove this class. As you can see, it's really nice. You can do some experiments with the dot in the center, but I will not be doing that. So hope you guys had fun and learned something new, and see you guys in the next one.